Let me know if this sounds anything like your to-do list, newsletter to send out, Instagram post to post, create a brand new opt-in for your email list, that client work that's due today, those emails that you've got to respond to, you've got to cook dinner, you got to put laundry in, you got to fold last week's laundry. I absolutely have a to-do list just like you, but the one thing that's different for me is I prioritize this to-do list to make sure I get the most out of it. My to-do list has been there too, but more recently, I've figured out the secret to prioritizing my list so that I can finally quit work at 3 p.m. every day, have a 3-day weekend, and not work in the evenings. Ready to hear my secret? Hi, I'm Trena, and I started this channel to help creative entrepreneurs like you get on YouTube to grow your business. Because as a busy mom of 2 growing a business, I can't be on my computer and my phone all the time. I've got to find time to take care of my family, but I've got to grow my business, and YouTube has been the spot to do it for me. Today, we're going to be talking about how to prioritize your to-do list so that you can finally spend some time with your family or start working out, which was a New Year's resolution just a few months ago. So the first thing that I like to do is brain dump everything that is on my list, okay? I like to think I've got laundry to do, dinner to cook, I have to send an email, I have to pitch a podcast. What are all the things that are running through your mind right now, and get them on paper? If you want to, I know a lot of people like to use this quadrant. It's so hard for me to say that word, quadrant, to help them really prioritize their to-do list. So take that brain dump and start writing them on Post-its. Then you can start splitting up these to-dos in your quadrant. So urgent, important, urgent, not important, not urgent, but important, and not urgent, not important. So your to-dos are really going to fall somewhere in those 4 categories. For me, I like to think as my urgent, important as the things that are going to make me money. So that is hosting a webinar, creating a new opt-in. These are the things that are going to lead people into my funnel so that I can make money. Also, urgent important would include client to-dos. So things that I have to get done for my clients if there's a specific due date. As far as not urgent, not important, maybe creating a new ebook. I know I want to do it, but really, where does it fit into my schedule right now? So you want to think about the things that are going to help you make money or help you grow your business. As far as urgent, not important, is pitching podcasts. This is how I'm going to get the word out about my business and grow my business and reach more people. So I would put that into the urgent, not important category because I don't need to do it right this second, but I do need to get it done. And then as far as the not urgent, important quadrant, we'd obviously be posting to social media. I know I can reach more people if I'm consistent to Instagram, so it's semi-urgent for me, but it's not really important at the moment. So these types of to-dos are all gonna fit into your own quadrant and what's important to your business. And then a few tips for me on how I really have gotten to the point where I now take off Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays is I try to figure out what is good for my business. I'm not saying yes to everything. I'm not saying yes to every coffee date. I'm not trying to do all the things. I'm trying to focus on the things that I do best. So YouTube videos are a priority to me. Preparing for my next launch is important for me because that's going to make me money. Working on my client work because they're giving me money to do the things that they pay me for. So these are some of the important things that I got to focus on. I try to really avoid squirrel syndrome. Squirrel. Okay, I know we want to do all the things. I know we want to create all the things, but you really need to focus on your zone of genius. What's one thing that you could do, that you could focus on, that could bring you money in today? That's what you want to focus on so you can get more time back instead of trying to do all these things and having your hands in 5 different pots so that your time is being sucked out more and more and more. That's really how I've gotten to the part in my business where I'm focusing on my group program because that's bringing me money. It's where my passion lies. And I don't have to be with them 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you really want to see how I plan my week, make sure you click that video up above. If you want to see how I plan out my week, click the video that's on your screen right now. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tips and strategies on how you can use YouTube to grow your business. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.